Welcome back. In a previous video, we talked about the information above the body tag. One thing in particular we talked about is the fact that you have title tags. Now this title tag is going to be important because this will indicate on a particular browser what the title of your page is. And you can control that information between these two tags. So for example, if we were to change this tag and edit the information within it, we would then change the title. Now let's take a look so that we'll know what we mean by the title. Now you'll notice if we look at this page, you'll see that the title says Special Limited Time Offer, and that's what our title was before we edit it. What we're going to do now is we're going to save the page where we just changed the title, and we're going to upload that page to our server. So we're going to come back now and we're going to go to File, and then we're going to Save. And now that we've re-uploaded that information, what we're going to do is we're going to click F5 in order to refresh. And what you'll notice is that this page now has a different title. If you hover over it, it says Special Google Plus Tools, and we were able to change that within the HTML. And we can do that with any page. For example, you'll notice if we hover over this browser tab, it says thank you. We can control this information by doing an edit to the thank you page. So again, we're going to look above the body tag and we're going to see that this title says thank you. We're going to change that information here and we're just going to call it thanks. And what we're going to do now is we're going to save this page and then re-upload it to our server. Then we're going to come back and we're going to refresh our page. We're going to hit F5 and you'll notice now that our title is now thanks. And again, we're typically going to find that information in the header as indicated by the header tags. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.